Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government pass question. Question number 42 says, under the Technical Aid Corps, Nigerian expert deployed to dash. Under the Technical Aid Corps, Nigerian experts are deployed to dash. A. Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. B. Africa, the Pacific, and the Caribbean. C. Europe, South America, and Asia. D. The Pacific, the Caribbean, and Europe. Under the Technical Aid Corps, Nigerian experts are deployed to so place, that is, taken to so place in order to render services. Then they were deployed to Africa during that period, Pacific, and Caribbean. So option B is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.